Hi, Danny here again. I'm looking at my solar panels. It's been about a year and they look pretty good, kind of dirty. Kind of you can see kind of some dirt on this mesh, right? I think it's just dirt though. It's just dirt. The mesh is holding up, but there's a lot of dirt. See if you can see it. Okay, so speaking of dirt, check this out. Now that probably isn't so good for the production, so I'm gonna wash them off. I'll see what happens
Solar
next.
panel cleaning 101. So I got one of these car scrubber things with a kind of a painting pole on the end of it. So it's pretty long, right? These are 385 watt solar panels, so they're pretty long. So I got a bucket, a hose, and the problem is I get up and the path that I'm going to come down is wet, so there's some risk to this. Anyway, it didn't take very long, and I probably just do it once a year, and I don't know, maybe I'll pay somebody to do it eventually when I get too old. Anyway, that's my seems like it got a lot of stuff off. I'll show you what the difference in production is if I can figure it out. Probably take me a couple days to figure out. I just rinsed them first, and that might have been enough, but there was a kind of a layer of soot on them from the fires. I live kind of close to where the fires were.